2000 punyo. Ka Indian Youth Congress next ngi la Pynbna bakan sa penlong ka Jingpynrung Dkhot bat ke election Jong ka Seng habaro ki benta Jong ka Meglaya harengkat ke ribro kowe. Hagani ke jingelang lai don lang dakinong yalam bapau nam Jong ka Seng Congress ki bakentup ya ka working president Jong ka Seng Congress ikong Deborah si Marak UMP Jong ketura usaleng e sangma bat kiwe-kiwe. Ka jingthep kerteng kan sedang nadu ka khandriu terik unai wing 8,000 pusau hadu arpo terik unai wing 8,000 pusau kat ba ka Jingpynrung Dkhot lap lieling ba ka with IYC mobile app.
From 16 November onwards, the nomination will start. So the nomination time is 16 November till 20th November. If there is any objection, like any complaints against any candidate regarding disciplinary or anti-party or anything, then anybody can raise a complaint through our website.
Anti-social.
Yeah, anti-social also. So the objections can be raised through the website, that is www.ycea.in. Anybody can raise a complaint with the valid documents through the website, and the objection date is from 17 November till 21st November, 5 p.m.
Ka joint action